In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a page in Squarespace. We'll walk through Squarespace's built-in password feature from your site settings. This method is quick, reliable, and great when you want to keep content private while you're building or sharing with a limited audience. Keep in mind, the steps I'm about to show you apply a password at the site level. If you only need to lock a single page, Squarespace also lets you set a password in that page's settings. Start by signing in to your Squarespace account and opening the site you want to protect. From your dashboard, go to the main website view so you can see the left-hand navigation. Here, click the website section to open your site controls, then head into settings. You'll see a list of options that control how your site behaves. Find and select Site Availability. On the Site Availability screen, choose Password Protected. This tells Squarespace to require a password before anyone can view your site's content. Next, enter a password in the field provided. Pick something you can remember but others won't guess easily. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords you use elsewhere. If you're sharing access with a client or a teammate, send the password over a secure channel rather than posting it publicly. Once you've entered your password, click Save. That's it. Your site is now locked behind the password. To confirm it's working, open a private or incognito browser window, navigate to your site, and you should see a prompt asking for the password. Enter the password to make sure you can get in, and everything looks the way you expect. A few helpful tips as you use this feature. If you only need to lock a specific page, look for the password option inside that page's settings, which lets you keep the rest of the site public. If you're preparing a launch, password protection is a great way to share progress with stakeholders without exposing unfinished pages to search engines or the public. You can also customize the message visitors see on the password screen so it feels on-brand and informative, like adding a short note about when the content will be available. When you're ready to go live again, return to Site Availability, switch off Password Protected, and save your changes. Remember that password protecting a live store or blog will hide it from visitors until they enter the password. So plan your timing accordingly. And that's how to password protect a page in Squarespace.